This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, as always, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start here with the S&P 500. Over the past couple of weeks, we've been forming this five-wave structure here on the S&P 500, and of course that come to an end when we capitulated about 2 Thursdays ago when we had that CPI come out on the 13th of October. And in response to that capitulation, we have now started to form this ABC correction pattern. And it looks to me that we are in the final innings, and last night we may have just hit that final push towards the upside. We broke briefly above the 50-day EMA. We're still above it. We went and kissed that 50-day moving average. So it looks to me as if the ABC correction has come to an end, and now we are going to see another correction phase, but now towards the downside. I've been posting a lot of research over in my free analysis group, so make sure you do go and scan this QR code to go and read it all. But I basically explain why I believe, I think it was this morning, I posted several reasons as to why I believe the S&P 500 is likely to roll over going into the next couple of trading sessions and most probably into the beginning of November. I do expect any minor correction to occur, should be bought. You know, I would definitely be buying any dip that does occur over the next 1 to 2 weeks going into the final month of the year. I feel like we are going to have a real attempt, a real push up towards 4,000 here for the S&P 500. But before then, you know, technically we do need that pullback. As well as that, we had Microsoft and Google report their earnings last night, and the numbers were quite soft, especially with Alphabet, with the ad spending, etc. I think they've had the slowest growth in YouTube dating back to 2013, which is very significant. So major cracks in Google. And of course, later on this evening, we hear from Facebook. Again, it solely depends on ad revenue, Facebook. And, you know, the ad market, we heard from Snapchat, we heard from Alphabet last night that, you know, the ad business is suffering, just like many other businesses out there. So I expect Facebook to come out with horrible numbers, and you know, the stock will likely trade towards the downside. And of course, tomorrow is the big day. We have Amazon and Apple. We heard just 2 days ago that Amazon have paused their hiring, and that is very significant due to the fact Amazon are arguably the most aggressive hiring company in the whole entire globe. And for them to come out and to pause hiring, it just shows that, you know, companies are really starting to see the effects of interest rate hikes, etc., on the economy. So you know, I kind of expect soft numbers coming out of Amazon. And it was only the other day as well we heard from Jeff Bezos, who come out and said, you know, it's time to batten down the hatches, which just tells you all that you need to know. And then, of course, Apple, the largest company in the world, just under a $3 trillion market cap. The stock is only down 17% this year. So it's actually performed very well compared to the broader market. And with a stock price that high going into a print where I am expecting soft numbers, we've heard from several chip makers that they believe the iPhone sales have been very slow. That's the iPhone 14. And, you know, they just can't afford to just come out and report soft numbers. So with that being the case, I feel like there's many fundamental but mainly technical reasons as to why we do need a short-term pullback here in the S&P 500. So I feel like a good target is this 3,700 area. I think that easily gets touched, and we could even go a little bit lower down to 3,650. So I am shorting the market here short-term, and once we get down to, let's say, 3,700, that's when I will be looking to buy as we go into the final stages of 2022.